Justice from Johnson County Parks and Recreation. Today we're going to work our way down a little bit lower into the waist and obliques. Take a deep breath up. Exhale down. Bend the elbows halfway in twos. Twist right, left, and right. Twist, twist. Tighten the bottom under, stomach in tight. Now we're going to alternate. Side to side, twist, twist. Everything tight from the stomach to the bottom. Now I want you to reach it out with a punch. Straighten that arm out. Reach. A little deeper isolation as you open it up. Again. And reach. Reach. Now overhead, stretch it out. One arm up, one arm down. Feel that through the waist and obliques. 8 to the other side now. It's not a bounce, but a small press. 4, 3, 2. Now in twos. To the right for 2. Left. Right. Left. Now we're going to bend it over to the right side and reach. If it hurts your back, bend those knees. And reach. Reach. Other side. Same thing as 8. 6. Press. Now straight ahead. Bend your knees. I'm Greg, and I hope you'll join me tomorrow.